What is up, Hollywood stars? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to do this super pretty natural glam. So if you want to know how to achieve this look, then just keep watching. And as always, don't forget to shine bright because it's Low Hollywood time. So I'm starting off with primer, and this is my favorite one. This is the Optical Illusion by Urban Decay. I know this stuff works, and I feel like I don't get as oily throughout the day. By the way, I'm breaking out again. I feel like, okay, now I'm starting to think that it's just like, well, obviously down here, like hormonal. So I feel like it's probably just every month when I'm about to get my period, then that's when I break out, because it was already like looking better, and then all of a sudden I got like 5 in one day. So this primer does have a little bit of a white cast, but that's totally fine because obviously we'll be adding foundation over this. And for foundation, I'm going to be using the Morphe Fluidity foundation. This is in F2.20. I honestly really love this. So I feel like the trick to this is to just add a little bit. Like a little bit goes a long way. It's gonna give you the coverage you need, because otherwise if you add too much, because it is like so matte and so full coverage, it's definitely gonna look cakey. But if you just add the right amount, then it looks like bomb all day. And I also feel like this particular foundation, because it is very matte, I don't get as oily throughout the day, which is good because I literally have the oiliest skin ever. Like literally, like midday, my face would start looking very, very dewy, like if I just applied a dewy foundation. It's insane. So, oh, by the way, I'm just using the Morphe sponge to blend this out. So I've been doing this look for like pretty much like this whole week, I think. Like, well, not the whole week because I started school and I don't really wear makeup to school, but for my last couple looks, I feel like this has been my go-to because it's so easy. It's like a cute Instagram baddie makeup, you know, but it's so simple to do and I love it. I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade Light Sand, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add this under my eyes. I'm still gonna bring it a little bit to the nose because I just love doing that. I feel like it makes my nose skinnier. And then I guess I'm just gonna add it over where I normally add it, just not my chin today. I'm gonna use the same sponge to blend it out. So now I'm just using a little bit of my Born This Way powder. This is just translucent. And I'm just gonna use a little brush and apply this right under the eyes. I'm just gonna like push the product in. Perfect. And then I'm gonna add my Morphe powder. This is in Filter 3. And I'm just gonna add this basically all over. I'm just going to avoid the under eye. This also gives me like a little bit of coverage here. I am gonna prime my eyelids a little bit. This is the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And I really love this because one, it makes my eyeshadow stay on, obviously, but I like it too because it has just a little bit of color. So it's good if you have like discoloration in your eyelid, or if you just kind of want like a nice neutral base. This is really good. Okay, perfect. So now you can see that my eyes are nice and neutral. So it's gonna be perfect for this look because all we're gonna do is add a little bit of bronzer to the eyelids. But before that, I'm gonna go ahead and just bronze up my skin like I normally do. I feel like I haven't found another bronzer that I love more than this one. Like, I just really like it. And then I'm just gonna take my MAC 224 and literally just dip in here and apply this to the crease. So I really love doing this because it gives you like a nice look to your eyes, like very neutral, very pretty. And because the base does have a little bit of color, it looks like you actually added a different color to your lid. So I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara to the lashes, my lashes. So I'm gonna add a little bit of blush. This is just Love Cloud by MAC. For highlight, I'm just gonna use this one right here. It's called Show Gold. It's by MAC as well. And I love this one. I've mentioned this so many times because it's just so good. Like, I love the pink hue to it. It's so pretty. And then I'm also gonna add a little bit of this to my inner corner. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. Literally, like, the lashes is what makes the look. Okay, perfect. So now I have the lashes on, so you can already see that the look is coming together. Literally, I feel like this look is made by the lashes, the lips, and the brows. So I'm just gonna use my pen here. This is the Shade Plus Shade Brow Tint by MAC. Oh my god, this is a must. I love this. So literally, I just like flick upwards and create little brush or little hair-like strokes. And then I just grab a little bit of clear brow gel and I just run this to the brows. That way my hair can just lay flat to the side that I want. And usually I just flick it upwards because I like that look. Okay, perfect. We're literally almost done. It's like so easy. So then I'm gonna grab a little bit more of this bronzer and I'm just gonna add this to the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara and I'll be right back to the lower lashes. Okay, so now for the lips, so we're gonna do some Honey Pecan lip liner. This is just by MAC. And I'm going to just line my lips. And I'm also going to overdraw a little bit up here and also kind of do my Cupid's bow a little bit more rounded. So I literally do like a line through it, just like that. Okay, and then I'm just gonna fill it in. And then I'm gonna grab this lipstick right here. This is by, what is this from? So this is by Maybelline and this is in the color Baddest Beige. So this color, I got it at Ulta because Jaclyn Hill said that it was her favorite and I like it. It's like really pretty nude. But I like literally have to wear this with a lip liner because otherwise it does not look good. But it looks really good with lip liner. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of gloss. I really love this gloss. This is the Smarty Pants collection. And this gloss is I Am Too Smart. It's also by MAC. So this is pretty much the finished look. I'm just gonna spritz a little bit of my Fix Plus. I love it. Okay, you guys, so that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's such a pretty, like, natural look. So let me know in the comments down below if you love this look and if you want to see a little bit more natural looks on my channel. And of course, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.